come down Main Street, drums are blazing, carrying the way the water rolls. Bands are playing and the flags are waving and the red carpet motorcycle cool. Clowns are climbing to the crowd and a picture every pretty girl there smiles. It's a glorious mess, everybody wears the bells, the parade faces out for a mile. It's a typical American phenomenon where all the members have a fine old time. It's the 43rd annual convention of the Grand Mystic Royal Order of the Nobles of the Alibaba Temple of the Shrine. Operator. Give me room 321, please. Hello, Noble Lumpkin. This here is the illustrious boat tape. I said it's the illustrious boat tape. The illustrious Coy. Dad, blame it. This here is Bubba, Coy. Why ain't you at the parade? What? Well, how'd you get that big Harley up there in your room? What? I can't hear you, Coy. Quit revving it up, boy. Turn it off. I just want you to know that one thing you'll embarrass us all. The whole Hey Howard delegation. And I'll see you at the banquet, Coy, and you be there. You hear me? Black tie, 7 o'clock. Be there, Coy. And Coy, don't answer the phone, ugly. It was all arranged by the ladies of City in the downtown convention hall. Cold roast beef, string beans, mashed potatoes, and 9 bowling speeches and all. And all the tables looked fine with a bump table one, and the stadiums on each side. And the Hey Howard leaders in their red cigarettes making over a heart swell we cried. Typical American phenomenon where all the members have a fine old time. It's the 43rd annual convention of the Grand Mystic Royal Order of the Nobles of the Alibaba Temple of the Shrine. Operator, 321, please. Thank you. Hello, Coy. What are you doing? What do you mean, who is this? This is Bubba. Why hadn't you at the banquet? What do you mean all you had to wear was a Hawaiian flowery shirt? Well, you may think you're fooling some people, but I know what's going on. Everybody's seen the little redhead. That's right, everybody. Why, she came running through the dinner, right in the middle of the pineapple sherbet. Didn't have on nothing but your fez, boy. Boy, you're the only one who's got a fez with a propeller on top. Yeah, and she was yelling out the secret code too, boy. We're going to have to change it now. Dad blended Coy, we're going to have a special meeting. We get back to Hey Howard about the content of this here convention. Embarrassed. Now, Coy, you be at the secret conclave tonight, you hear me? And keep it a secret.
Oh my goodness. You guys are going well.
Well, she was meeting in the dead of the night with mysterious sanctimony. In accordance with his rhyme, rituals, a time-honored ceremony. Matters of great concern were weighed with dedicated caution. But whether or not to raise a stud or draw a split in the ocean, it's a typical American phenomenon where all the members have a fine old time. It's the 43rd annual convention of the Grand Mystic Royal Order of the Nobles of the Alibaba Temple of the Shrine. Operator, room 320. And how did you know? Oh, hello, boy. Where have you been? No, you wasn't at the meeting. Well, I found out at 3 o'clock this morning you was out there in the Fruity Looms in the motel swimming pool with a bunch of them grapes from the cocktail lounge. I just hope Charlene don't find out about this, boy. Well, how'd you get that big motorcycle up there on the high dive, boy? Now, Coy, Dad, burn it. That ain't no way to act. We're supposed to be pillars of the community. When we get back to Hey Howard, you can just turn in your ring and your tie tag. Because, Coy, you are out of the shrine. You're going to be blackballed, Coy. That's right. You may have to pack your bags and leave town. What do you mean you're going to join the Hells Angels? Coy, don't you hang up on me. Don't you crank that motorcycle. Who's that giggling in the background, Coy? Hello? Hello? Operator, please cut off. Yeah, room 321. Coy, don't you hang up on the illustrious potentate. This is Bubba, Coy. Hello, darling.